everyone, Josh with Unique Amps here with a project update. Today is April 4th, 2020, and as of a few minutes ago, my first video has 82 views and some comments, so thanks for watching and commenting. I've also posted this project on a few guitar-related forums. One of them is Ultimate Guitar. Interestingly, nobody has commented at all over there. So not sure why it's not generating interest, but seems like it has generated interest at some other forums. So I'll go through some of the feedback that I've got so far. Ed Wold at Seymour Duncan User Group Forum suggested an Electro Harmonix 12 VR. Joe Cool 85 at Solid State Guitar Amp Forum suggested Eminence Legend 1275. Guitar Billy at Guitar Gear Forum suggested Eminence Red Coat Private Jack. Ajax Lipinski at Guitar Gear Forum suggested Electro Voice EVM 12L. Fat at Solid State Guitar Amp Forum suggested just a junk speaker. Maurice Debert on YouTube here suggested a Celestion Greenback. And also on YouTube, Christopher Shosky suggested a Celestion Vintage 30. So I will allow one more week for people to make their suggestions regarding what speaker they want, and then next week I will decide which speaker, and I'll make another video announcing what speaker, and then work on modifying the amp, installing that speaker. I look forward to seeing all of your suggestions, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks. So